Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue Northwest, Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our pre-owned units. This is a 2017 Lexus RX350 F Sport Series 3 in the Matador Red mica finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. Some of the features on this vehicle include L-shaped premium LED headlamps with the auto leveling headlamp system, S-Sport front grille, LED daytime running lights, LED fog lamps, front and rear park assist sensors, headlamp washers, blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert, keyless entry with push start ignition, driver seat memory seating, power folding and auto dimming side mirrors, power adjustable front seats, automatic high beams, power liftgate, heads up display, heated steering wheel, panoramic view monitor, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, hands-free controls, lane keep assist with steering assist, dynamic radar cruise control with pre-collision system, 12.3-inch multimedia display with navigation and backup camera, 15-speaker Mark Levinson premium audio system, dual zone climate control, wireless smartphone charging, heated and ventilated front seats, electronic parking brake, drive mode select with Sport Plus, which includes adaptive variable suspension, center locking differential, panoramic sunroof, power folding rear seats, heated rear seats, black interior, and of course comes with the legendary Lexus quality, reliability, and lowest luxury cost of ownership. For more information on this vehicle, please visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or call us to schedule a test drive at 403-296-9600.